How to make CPA grip account. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own CPA grip account and get started with CPA affiliate marketing. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply go to cpagrip.com and you will get to this platform right here. CPA Grip is a CPA affiliate marketing platform that allows you to do CPA affiliate marketing. If you have no idea what is CPA, CPA stands for cost per action affiliate marketing, where we make money whenever there is an action taken on our link. CPA Grip is one of the leading CPA affiliate marketing platform out there with a lot of different features and tools for us. So if you're looking to get started with CPA affiliate marketing, you might be going to CPA Grip, but you have no idea how to get started, how you can create an account and get to this dashboard right here that I have. This is my dashboard right here on CPA Grip, and this is what you want. And it's a very easy platform. You can see we can get our total revenue, and there are easy payment methods from where we can withdraw our money, the money that we're making with CPA affiliate marketing. So that being said, let's start with the process. Once you are on cpagrip.com, this is actually the website that you will be able to see. On the website, you will find the option of register. So simply go to register if you are signing up for the first time. And here we can sign up. Now, what you need to do is you will see that we have this star, and this is a required field that you must fill in. So we have to enter our first name, whatever your first name is. Then you're gonna enter your second name. We have a company. If you have a company, then you can just go ahead and type in the name for that. It is optional. Then we have a website. So if you have a website, you can again go ahead and type in the name, or you can add the URL. After that, we have to enter our street address. Then we have publisher type. So in publisher type, you will find these different options, and you can go with other, or you can go with email, any publisher type you want to go with, or you can go with GPT. So I'm just going to click on other. Then we have email address, which is necessary. So I'm going to go ahead and enter an email address right here. So I have entered my email. Then we have to set up a password, of course, and you will enter a password for your account. Make sure that it is a reasonable password, and then you're gonna click on confirm password. Then you have to select a time zone. So you will select a time zone where you are living. For now, I'm just going to select the international one. Where did you hear about us? If you want to fill this in, you can go ahead and do that. Select your country. Of course, it is also a required field, and you will simply go ahead and enter your country. I'm just going to go ahead and select a country from here. Then you will enter your state and city. You will enter a phone number. You will select your country, and then we also have to enter our Skype name. You can just enter any name you want to, and then you have to click on I agree to all the terms and services. Once you selected, now you can see that our register now option is enabled now. All you have to do is click on register now, and then you will log in to your account with your email address and the password that you have just set up. And that's how you simply create an account on CPA Grip. You can see now, if I go to my account, I have logged into my account with my email address and my password. This is where I will get. Let me show you around CPA Grip, because we have created an account, and you can see you will be able to check your affiliate number right here. This is your affiliate number. You will check your name. Then your total revenue is shown right here. This is a main dashboard where I will be able to check all of my stats and some of the recently added offers, top performing offers, and more information. Then we have stats and charts. In stats and charts, I can go ahead and check my stats overview, my tool breakdown, country breakdown, and others. Then we have monetization tools that give us content lockers, URL, file lockers, video lockers, and offer walls. So we make money on CPA Grip with CPA affiliate marketing. And what happens here is that I can log a content, I can create a survey, I can add an app to review for, and then I will simply make money whenever somebody will do an action on my link. They will perform a survey, they will watch a video, and I will be making money with it. It's a highly profitable affiliate marketing that we do, and CPA Grip gives us all the right features and tools to do so. You can see right here, we have offer tools because there are millions of offers added every single day. You can see right here that the payout for this offer right here is $3, $1, $2. So with each action you're making up to, some offers have $6, $10. So we are making a lot of money. And when it comes to the withdrawal, that's what I really like about CPA Grip. Once you sign up, you have set up your account. All you have to do is just simply go to the payment center and it will give you your payment statuses, like what is your estimated earnings and what you have actually earned. And then all you have to do is select a payment method from here. You can select your PayPal, you can select your Payoneer, your card, and your ACH transfer. You can go and directly transfer your money to your bank. All you have to do is select the payment method and enter the information and you're good to go. Once your account is set up, you have created an account, you will be able to do affiliate marketing. There's nothing more, there's no such verification or anything. You can also verify your email address. Of course, you can validate it so that it will be secure. You will be able to check all of your information in the account settings right here, and you can validate your email address. You can simply go to the account settings in order to do your more account settings that for the account that you have just created. Let me take you back to the dashboard, and in dashboard let me show you how we simply get different offers and how we do CPA Grip. I'm liking this offer, so all I have to do is just click right here, and this is the link that I will get. All you have to do is just copy the link. The link has been copied, and now if I'm a YouTuber, I will add this link to my YouTube channel. If I am a blogger, I will add this link to my blog. If I am an influencer, I will add this link to my Instagram, to my Facebook, to my Twitter. I can just go ahead and add these links, and then when people will click on the link, they will watch a video, perform a survey, review a app, or play a game, I will be making money with that. That's how simple it is to make money with CPA affiliate marketing, and CPA Grips makes it more easier for us to avail all of these different amazing offers that pay up to $6 per sale, and we will be able to make a lot of money and get our payout within minutes using CPA Grip. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to create your account on CPA Grip and get started with CPA affiliate marketing. You can create your account and get started. Get all the offers available right now. Go to cpagrip.com, create your account by following this tutorial, and you will be able to do affiliate marketing and make money by just sitting at home. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.